my channel. Today I wanted to film a really quick, simple, easy mommy makeup look that I have been sharing for a while now, that I have been doing for a while now. It is literally my go-to daily look. I don't put like a ton of makeup on every single day, but I do like to be put together every single day, or at least for me, feel put together every single day. But for me, I like to feel put together every single day. Most days, let's be real. Some days I do not do anything, else if I'm tired, because this pregnancy is getting to the end, guys, so I am really tired every single day, but we are just going to power through. So I use very few products on a day-to-day basis. I will show you all the products that I use. I will also list them out below in case you are interested in what exactly it is I use. And let's get started. I'm gonna clip my hair back first, actually. I already did my hair, like dry shampoo and all that fun stuff. So like I said, I use very few products when I am doing my daily look. I just like to be put together, look put together, and so forth. So Jackson, are you being a good boy in there? First I'm gonna put some chapstick on. What are you doing? Oh, you got your animals? Why don't you lay them out all right there for mama? So, if you hear some background noise, it's him. Alright, so I already prepped my face, meaning the first thing I do when I get up is I wash my face, I put my eye cream on, and I spray some toner, the rose water toner that I get from Trader Joe's. I love it so much. So I put that on first. If I'm using my tinted moisturizer on a daily basis, which is what I mostly use day to day, I will not really put my moisturizer on. But now that it's becoming winter, my skin is getting super dry, I do put my daytime moisturizer on, but I just mainly focus in the parts of my face that get super dry, which is like right here on my forehead and my chin, because again, when you're using a tinted moisturizer, it is a moisturizer that's adding a little bit of coverage in one. So I sometimes use both on the whole face. It just depends. But today I just focus my lotion on the spots that get super dry during the day. First thing I do once my face is prepped and I'm all set is put on my tinted moisturizer. So I use the SeneGence Color Correcting Tinted Moisturizer. As you can see, I am almost done, but I do have my backup ready to go. So we are prepared. So I'm gonna put this on. When I am doing my simple makeup look, my day-to-day makeup look, mommy makeup look, whatever you want to call this, I barely use any tools. I use my fingers to apply this just like a regular lotion. Some people like to do it with a brush. You can do it with a beauty blender, whatever. So I'll put like one pump, as you see there, kind of go like this, press it on my face. Super simple, guys. And then I will rub it in just like a moisturizer, because that's essentially what it is, right? The sun just went away. I don't have professional lighting, guys, so you're gonna have to deal with this, the change in lighting every now when the sun goes behind the cloud. So I did not have, what was I gonna say? I recommend this product for anybody who is either just starting out with makeup or just doesn't like to use too much makeup but want to get rid of like maybe the redness in your face. You just want to kind of have a nice even skin tone. Tinted moisturizer, especially this one, is amazing. I'm not too educated in the exact ingredients, but I believe the SeneGence tinted moisturizers have a technology in it where it adapts to your skin tone. So they only make 3 shades of these, and obviously there's a gajillion shades of skins out there, right? So they only make 3: light, medium, and deep. But it adjusts to your skin tone once you apply it. Most people are gonna be like medium, and then the deep is for the really dark skin. So it's really, really cool. You will have such a simple time matching your skin. And I don't know, I recommend this one because as you see, it's now just like made this, like it's basically second skin. You look like you have no makeup on whatsoever, but you just have this nice finish. If you are not into makeup at all and you want something so minimal, throw this on and mascara and you're done for the day. But me, I'm a little extra, so I go a few steps further. Next thing I do once I have my tinted moisturizer on is I will go ahead and put concealer on. I can't not put concealer on, guys. I use the SeneGence color correcting or color concealer in light. And I'm just going to let my camera focus, put it underneath my eyes and on my chin, anywhere that I usually get some redness. If I have a blemish or anything like that, I will put there. Again, using my fingers. When I am doing my full face, like, and I'm doing foundation and all that stuff, I will mix a little bit of my white concealer in there just to add highlight. But today, and on most days, I'm not too concerned about that. And again, I am using my fingers. I am going like this, and I am just tapping it where I need the product to be placed. And then I'm just gonna, this is what I'm doing, guys. I'm just tapping it with my fingers. Now, I will use a brush real quick just to make sure the product is applied evenly. But I'm just patting. Don't rub it. And I'm gonna bless you, Bubs. So now I have pretty much all the liquid product on my face because again, I'm not doing a super full look today. I am then gonna go in with my translucent powder. So this is again by SeneGence, but I put it in this little container because I do not like using it in the container it comes in. I just think I get a better application by having it in a pail, but it is the SeneGence translucent loose powder. I will use this to set my entire face. Super important if you are using liquid products that you want to set it with powder. Not so much tinted moisturizer, you're fine. It's mostly with like when you're using foundation, but I love this stuff so much and I just like the look. And the translucent powder has the anti-aging ingredient in it that a lot of the SeneGence products and skincare and makeup has in it. So I mean, why not extra? Why not some extra? So I'm just gonna literally just rub this lightly. I'm not pressing very hard on my skin, all over my face. Guys, this look literally will take me less than 10 minutes. I know the video seems long, but I'm trying to explain everything to you. Literally, I am done less than 10 minutes every morning when I do this look. Now that I'm done with the face, I have a nice canvas on my face. I am gonna go in with some bronzer. I will always do bronzer because I don't want to look so one-dimensional and flat-faced. So today I'm going to actually use the Hoola bronzer. This is by Benefit. This is so old. I probably should not be using it anymore because it's that old. But it's a great bronzer. I'm honestly just using it because I have it. I have not really found a liquid bronzer or anything yet that I've truly fallen in love with. So I am just going to use what I have until I find one that I like. So I am literally going to bronze just my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit underneath my chin and be done. I am not contouring. For those of you who are new to Big Tower, who are new to makeup, just got my eye. Contouring is, you know, where you make your, I'm not professional, guys, but you make, you know, you really carve out your cheeks and all that. I'm just trying to add some little bit of color to my face for like a nice healthy glow, and always go down the neck layer. So again, cheeks, forehead, and that. So very subtle difference, as you can tell, but it's just added a little bit of color to make sure, not to make sure, just so I look healthy and awake. Probably the most important step, if you ask me, is your brows. I cannot not do my brows. I need to do my brows no matter what, because as you can see, I have very like light and thin brows. You can barely see the end of my brows, so I always fill them in, always. If you are blessed with dark, nice brows, I'm jealous, because I am not. So I am going to use today the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the shade Soft Blonde. This is what this looks like. Oops, upside down. What are you gonna do? I have gone back and forth between using, you know, SeneGence has all liquid eyeshadows, which I love. And I sometimes will use this shade for my brows, but I always tend to fall back to a pencil for some reason. I'm just used to using a pencil. I feel like it looks more natural on me. So I am going to just use the pencil brow today, and this is what, again, I use on a daily basis. Use a closed mirror for this. So I just brush through the brow, and then I literally will outline it, kind of like fill it in, and then just like fill it in really lightly. I'm touching very lightly on my skin and not really making them super defined. I just kind of want to fill in my natural brow. I'm not making them a different shape. I am not like trying to match them, because my brows are not the same shape. I'm literally just filling in what's already there just to make my brows look like they exist. Alright, one brow done. So see the difference there? How it just like completes the face. It kind of makes you look put together. At least me, because I don't have very good brows. But when I fill them in, it just like literally makes a world of difference. So important. Do your brows, girlfriends. Brows are all filled in and done, and the next step with my brows is I always like to use a clear brow gel after I do a product on them, whether even if it's a liquid product too. I just like to set the hairs. This is a great drugstore option. It is the Great Lash by Maybelline Clear Transparent Mascara, and you use it on your brows. So this is this lovely product. This stuff is great. You don't have to spend a lot of money, guys, on like little things like this. So I'm just gonna lightly set the brows. Cool, bud. We're almost done, guys. All we have left to do is the lashes, because again, on a daily basis, I do not do much eye makeup at all. Sometimes I will throw in a little bit of bronzer to my crease just to make my eyes kind of look more awake. And mommy's coffee, don't you touch it. So like you could go back with whatever bronzer you use, throw it in your crease to give your eyes a little bit of dimension. Maybe I'll do that for you guys just to show you. I am just going to use the bronzer that I used. See, it just kind of adds a little bit of a dimension to the eye without you having to like, whoops. And I'm going to take just a brush that has nothing on it and kind of just blend that out a little bit. So I don't do this on a daily basis. I just wanted to show you guys that you can. And I know it kind of just makes you look a little put together. I'm going to put a little bit of black eyeliner on. It's by SeneGence. It is their long-lasting eye pencil. So I'm going to throw this on to my waterline. Last step, you guys, is mascara. I am using the shocking SeneGence LashSense VolumeIntense mascara. This is the non-waterproof formula. I do have the waterproof formula. I don't plan on crying or anything today, so I'm gonna use this. What's amazing about their mascara is that it has a ingredient in it that helps promote the growth of your lashes. I forget by what %, but anything that's gonna help me look younger, grow my lashes, or anything, I am all for. So I am just gonna put a coat or two on my lashes. This is just one coat of the mascara. As you can see, like it's really great mascara, guys. I really like it. My favorite mascara for years, like years. I am telling you, I used CoverGirl Clump Crusher. It's the green bottle waterproof formula. You could not get me to not try something. You couldn't get me to try anything new until this stuff. I will too. They have a primer. I don't use a primer on a day-to-day basis. It is amazing though. If you want like the look of false lashes or eyelash extensions without going and paying all the money for them, this primer is amazing. You put one coat of this on before your mascara, and you can technically use any mascara you want over this, and it makes your lashes look awesome. That stuff is so great. So I'm just gonna put one more coat on because I love lashes. Okay, so that's 2 coats of the mascara. And that is my makeup look, guys. I don't know where my camera shut off. I'm hoping, like this light now in my face, that's like really cool. Okay. If you guys ever like get mascara on like your makeup or on your eye, I do it all the time. Wait for it to dry. Do not wipe it away right away because then you'll obviously get the smudge. Wait for it to dry and then get a Q-tip and it'll flick right off your skin. Just a little tip for you. So the last step, I always said it. This is not technically a setting spray, but it's an amazing moisturizing spray, hydrating facial serum mist from SeneGence. And I mean, in the winter, it's especially important for me to get extra moisturizing. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. And it smells good too. So that's it here, guys. Here is the final look of my everyday makeup. Like I said, it literally will take me less than 10 minutes to do this. I know this video is super long, but I wanted to explain everything to you guys and how I do my makeup and every single day. If I am running out, sometimes I'll throw on some lip gloss or something and call it a day. Like I said, I already did my hair today, so I'm gonna just give it an extra spray of stuff. Go for the undone messy look with my hair, so I never really worry about it too much. And that's it. So let me know if you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. I always like doing types of tutorials, whether it's makeup. Maybe eventually I'll do some like holiday stuff. I don't know. Cooking. No, you don't want to see me cook. But this is it. This is the completed look. Give this video a thumbs up, please. If you want to see more looks, maybe I am more in-depth, like full face of makeup look, I can do that for you guys. But this is my simple everyday look. I promise it takes less than 10 minutes for me to do every single morning. Mostly every single morning, unless we're not going anywhere, then I'm not gonna bother. But this is it. So let me know. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and you want to see more. Hit the little bell icon as well. We will be ramping up on getting ready for a baby girl, as you guys know, or if you don't, if this is your first video of mine that you are watching, I am 32 weeks pregnant, so we are almost there with baby number 2, a little girl, and we're very excited. So we have a lot of videos coming up for that as well. We are documenting everything for preparation and for welcoming her. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!